Hello students, good morning. In last class we have done the type of the synthetic fiber. There is a different type of the synthetic fiber we have done, then advantages, and there is a use where we can use that fibers in our daily use life that we have done. Different type of fiber we have done about this one: rayon, nylon, polyester, and then after this one last one acrylic fiber. This we have done. And for homework I have given to you that MCQ questions. Now check that you are right or wrong. First, which of the following is not a synthetic fiber? Rayon, nylon, wool and terylene. Which one is the not synthetic fiber? That is the wool. Synthetic means human made. That wool is natural fiber. Cellulose is made of the large number of blank units: amide, amino, glucose and sucrose. Then answer of this question will be glucose. Next, our parachute fabric is made up of nylon, rayon, terylene, dacron. Then answer of this question will be nylon. Terylene mixed with cotton is called terrycoat, terrywool, terrysilk and none of these. Then answer of this question will be terrywool. Acrylic fiber are used for making blank sweater, shawls, blanket and all of these. Then answer of this question will be all of these. I hope that you have filled in your book. Now next question, next topic we will start: advantages of the synthetic fiber. What are the advantages? There is a different use of these fiber where we can use these fiber. Then now what is the advantages of these fiber? Why we are using these fiber? What is the purpose of this use of these fibers? Then first, our high tensile strength. High tensile means easily it can be stretched, means we can use it again but it will be not easily break down. That is a hold the large weight easily. That will be high tensile strength. So synthetic fiber are very strong, have high tensile strength, as well as they can hold large weight without breaking, in comparison to the natural fiber like cotton and wool. That as compared to cotton and wool, they have the large tensile strength. Now next, low water absorption. Low water absorption means that it can be absorbed less amount of the water for wet. Then synthetic fiber absorb very little amount of water moisture. Due to this, a wet cloth of the synthetic fiber dry out rapidly. And synthetic fiber are said to possess dry, drip and dry property. They possess drip and dry property. The natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, however, absorb a lot of water, so they don't dry out rapidly. Yes, there is also having one more property, that is the water absorption, that it will absorb the less amount of water as compared to other fibers, because if they will absorb less amount of the water, so they will be easily dry up. Now next advantage is good elasticity. Their elastic property of this one is the good, that when we stress is then it will regain its original position. It will come again in same position. Most of synthetic fibers are fairly elastic and flexible, as they can be stretched or compressed to some extent. On releasing force applied, they regain their original shape and size. For example, socks made of nylon keep their shape even after repeated use. Natural fabric are not fairly elastic. They are not fairly elastic, but there is a synthetic fiber are the good elasticity. Wrinkle resistance. They are free from the wrinkles. Wrinkles means that when we are throwing with each other, that clumping, then as we will see that there will be wrinkle, but they are the mostly wrinkle free. Resistance means that oppose of the wrinkle. Most synthetic fiber do not get clumped easily during washing and wearing. They are wrinkle free and keep permanent creases. Cloth made of the natural fibers get cramped easily, as they are not wrinkle free. Yes, in the cloth of the cotton, made of the cotton, then you can see there is so many wrinkles. Next, abrasion resistance. Abrasion, that means we can use for the more time for wear and tear. Long lasting, durable cloth, that is the made of the synthetic fiber have the high abrasion, wear and tear resistance. So the cloth made of the synthetic fiber are long lasting and or durable. Durable means we can believe on it, then for the more time we can use it. Natural fibers have low abrasion resistance, so they are less durable. Moth resistant. Most of the synthetic fibers are not attacked by moth and mold. Natural fibers are however attacked by the moth and mold. That is they are the free from the insect, then insect will not eat them. Light weighted, then in weight they are the light. Most synthetic fiber are quite lightweight and natural fiber are comparatively heavy. Inertness, they are the free from the any reaction, chemically reaction, that is most synthetic fibers are chemically more inert as compared to natural fiber. Less expensive, they are the less expensive and more affordable than the natural fiber. Easily we can afford the synthetic fiber. Disadvantage of the synthetic fiber: melt and burn easily. Synthetic fiber catch fire more easily as compared to the natural fiber. Catch fiber and shrink to form beads when stick to the skin. Therefore, it is not advised to use cloth made of the synthetic fiber while working near the flame fire, such as in kitchen and while burning crackers. Most synthetic fabric require very carefully ironing as they melt very easily because they can catch easily fire. Non-biodegradable. Synthetic fiber are not non-biodegradable. They can cause soil pollution. Yes, we can't decompose these type of the fibers. That's why they cause the soil pollution. Uncomfortable during the summer. In summer we can't wear it because they will sweat will more in this type of the cloth. Most of the synthetic fiber can absorb very little moisture, so in hot and humid weather, when we wear, the sweat is trapped between the fabric and the skin. Therefore, synthetic fabric stick the body when the body sweat and make the wearer uncomfortable because the sweat can't be absorbed. Cause skin problem. The fabric made from synthetic fibers tend to develop static electricity in dry weather. So the spark due to the static electricity can be seen at night. These sparks may cause skin disease in some peoples. Like this one in picture we can see there is a cause the different type of the skin problems also. So these are the synthetic, both type of the advantage and as well as the disadvantage. Next topic our will come with plastic, then after the synthetic fiber. Up to this topic you have to complete, read this properly, advantage and disadvantage of the synthetic fiber, and learn these advantages and disadvantages up to this topic. Okay, thank you.